There we go. Oh wait, why is the thing isn't showing up? There we go. There we go, now we got the... Oops, still slightly off. Now we have the music preview thing. Okay. Today we are going to be finishing up some stuff for a new playtest build. Working on it. So yeah, actually make this bigger, because it's kind of hard to see on the stream, but whatever. Just have a to-do list of stuff to do. So, yeah, add descriptions for the cards in the menus. Need to remove debug stuff. Yeah, add an end screen with like a Control plus. Control. Whoa. 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 Wait, how do I make it normal size again? How do I make it regular? Is that a thing? It's kind of fun. I kind of like this. I might just do this instead of working. Is that okay? Okay, maybe I should work. Okay, so descriptions for the cards. One quick thing we can do is switch the particles here because I had them. I also need to add screenshots for the Steam page, so I might be messing around a bit for that. That could be fun. There we go. Now it has the right particles. Oh wait, where are the card descriptions? Are those on the card resource? Yes, maybe? Cards? Yes. On the resource, okay. I want to see, so for something like this, I wanted to have like a little text and then, because I kind of like the idea of having like a little flavor text that's kind of more fun, and then like the actual description of what the card does. You know what I'm saying? So if we open this up. Holy, this looks so cool. I haven't opened, I've only seen it on stream. This menu looks so cool. Thank you, Bitlytic. Okay, I actually kind of like that with like the little text underneath it on the description. Run, this song is so good. I love this song. Let me just see here. Oh yes, I also want to try this out on how does this work on controller? Their rich text label? Okay. Oh, so I can make them... Wait, how do I do this? Can you do this menu on controller? Or did you not do that yet? Oh, it's not. Okay. Yeah, okay. I thought you had for the for these guys. Oh, you did. It's just for the spinny, you know. Okay. Yeah, it's fun. I like that, yeah. One little thing is I think that the shadow shouldn't follow the card directly like this. Let me think. What should the shadow look like? I can try to change that. That's one thing I can do. It's like picky artist moment, you know? I'm trying to think. I think the shadow... Does it just say the same position? Let me see how that would look. Where's the card visual? Did you change the base card visual, or are you using card test? What are you using for the card? Oh wait, no, it's inventory card, right? Inventory card. Oh, description card. Okay. So on the shadow, guess we want this to be down here? No, it's not what we want. Maybe that is what we want. Wait, what is the color rect here? Oh, red. Whoa. See how that looks. Yeah, I put it outside the sub viewport. Oh, that doesn't look great. Layering. You need to be -1. Oh, that doesn't work. Do we need show behind parent? Is that what we want? Yes, I think that's what we want. Ooh, but now it doesn't. No, it doesn't go up and down. Full card object. Oh, okay. Ooh, something weird is happening here. Don't think that's supposed to happen. What should the restart the game? Okay. No, I can just use this to add all the cards, right? Good enough. Nope, there we go. Okay, something's still off. Oh, because it needs like the offset or whatever, doesn't it? Yeah. So we want to think. Let's just go ahead and undo what we did here. Because I think the weird offset thing that I had before we want to have, but we just want to do that. Maybe that will work. Now I have to restart it. Maybe this will work. I don't know how any of this works. I'm just like moving stuff around until it looks nice, so... No, that is still not right. Yeah, maybe we won't try to fix this right now. I also need to think, is this like... I don't know if this is exactly how this should work. How the shadows should... I'm just... How do shadows work? Maybe we do want it to follow the thing. Either way, it was fine the way it was before. I think that's okay. Let me think. Thinking. I have an idea. You know what? I have cards, and I have a phone flashlight. I'm actually very smart. Okay. So I think I see what we want. I don't know how to do this, but I believe we want the shadow to rotate more than the card itself. So if, say, the shadow is like this, the shadow would be even more rotated up that way. So I have an idea. If we do this, and then let's go and copy this guy. What happens if we just put this shader on this? Will that... I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try it. Go ahead and make this unique. Yeah, all that. I think. Ooh. Yeah, those weird things, I think. Let's get rid of the grid. Shadow, let's turn the modulate up so you can see it. Oh, do we need to make this sure? No, that's not right. Do we make the side like? That just stretches it. No, that's not right. Okay, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna need some help with this, but yeah, basically the shadow should be more stretched out than the card itself in the direction that it's rotated. So say it's rotated up this way, the card should be stretched out, or the shadow should be stretched out down here. If that makes sense. Let's undo all of that. Okay. Well, that was a waste of 15 minutes, but whatever, it was fun. Let me just make sure this still works. Hope I didn't need to do that. Well, that's funny, that still slows down time in the menus. That might not be something we want, but... Or I think it did. Did it? Maybe it didn't. I don't know, I'm going insane. Yeah, these look good now. It shouldn't? Okay, I was probably just going insane then. One thing we can fix is make this text centered. So let's see if we put 10 in here. Why is this not centered? I think we want the horizontal line to be center. Then if we do this, let me switch this back. Doesn't quite work. I think that's what we want. What is going on here? What is in the way here? Isn't there a... yes, this. Is it this? I don't know why it looks like that. That's weird. Why is there like a... It's only in that one spot that does that. Oh no, it's anything in this... That's very strange. Is it something with the font? Let's see. There we go. Oh, no, now there's more problems. So there was something weird with the font. Oh. Although, wait. No, the size is... Wait, what the... I think we want that off. No. I think we want disabled, right? Yeah. Now, let's see. Oh, because we don't have the grid on, is that why? Is it because it is centered now? Is that why? Yes, that is why. Okay. We fixed that problem. Let's see. So how can we make this centered without it being all weird? Can we just change the size like a little bit? Will that fix it? We make it like 42. 42. Make it 41. Make it 40. Is it because the scale has changed? It actually be because the scale has changed. We did do center and we did like 1. Okay, that's offset. 10 is still offset. Oh, actually, I think that looks fine. Now, why is that offset? I think that's just because of the... Something's weird with that symbol. Size of the label. I don't think that makes a difference. Like 64. Try. But I don't think that's gonna make a difference. Oh. Well, no, that works. Now this is still gonna be... Yeah, it's still like that. I think it's just something with the font. What did we have this on before? Did we have it on auto? Right? $61. Okay. Okay, it's like not working, but like almost working. Yeah, now it's wrong for the other reason, but it's just like that. I think it has to be left to right. I don't think centered is gonna work. Is that how we have it on the card visual? What is it like on here? If we put 10 in here. Oh, it is centered. Yeah, I guess it's just weird. It just gets offset like that. I do want to, I think I want to make this little diamond thing in the middle a little bit larger. So that way there's room for the text so it doesn't like overflow like that. I don't think it's a big deal for the demo, but that's one thing that I do want to do at some point. I can go and add that actually. Larger charge counts on cards. Well, it's just silly set it the same as the we don't want inventory card, we want description card. We'll set it the same as this. 61 by 40. Hello, meow to you as well. Meowdy even. Is that what we want? Make up a Sammy, so alright, have fun. There we go, that's the same size now. Oop, wait, we want to be centered, right? So now let's see if we do that. That looks like that. If we do that, it's slightly offset, but it's fine. Yeah, that looks better. Good enough. At least they're the same now. Okay, what else did we have on the to-do? The descriptions for the cards, right? That's what I was doing in the first place, and then I got distracted, because I'd be like that. Brick. I mean, obviously you throw a brick. I think this one's actually pretty good, this description. We might keep this one. What's like some good flavor text for a brick? Well, it's fun. I should probably add like details. So this, for example, slows down time for how much time? I don't remember. It's 120 frames, which would be 2 seconds. Do I have mono spacing? On what? Wait, huh? For the code? I don't know if I have mono spacing for anything, to be honest. I don't think so. Okay. Why does this song like go kind of hard? Okay, this is. Wait 1 second. It's not right. Oh, time. It's 10 seconds. Okay. I'm not going insane. For 10 seconds. It would be really cool now that I have the throwing knives like stick into enemies. It'd really really cool to like have them deal poison damage or something like that. But that's a later thing. But that could be cool. I do need to think about if I want to do like damage types like poison, ice, fire, things like that. That could be cool. But I don't know. That's like more complicated, and the game is already complicated enough. We'll see. What's a good description? Throw 3 throwing knives. Uh, hit a. What kind of pattern is this? It's a shotgun pattern, but that doesn't sound right. There we go, good enough. Begin. How long is the delay before it explodes? Only 1 second? That's not right, I don't think. Is it? Do I have a timer? Where are you going? We're going to on timer, timeout. And where is it running the timers? Timer, timer, timer. Where do I have the timer? Where am I starting the timer? I don't know where I'm starting the timer. Is this an auto start timer? It is auto start, okay. Okay. You have to implement health effects as well. Yeah, I think I might do it. Maybe. And by me doing it, I mean I'm going to make Bitlytic do it for me because he's now doing programming. But honestly, I think that could be something I could do myself. Can't be that hard. For sure. Or after 1 second. Okay, shield. What's a good shield text? Let me think. Shield. Trying to think of like... I can't think of anything cool for a shield. Okay, we'll come back to that one. Speed boost is 12 seconds. Does this have spell check? Did I spell this properly? I didn't. It's explanatory. Yarn ball. Italicize the funny flavor text. Yes, I can do that. I need to look up how to do that, but I can do that. Godot docs. Where are Godot docs? Actually, that might be in the built-in docs here. Let me see. Let's see. I think maybe it's in here somewhere. Which text? Ah, italic. Italic. This is what you want, I think, right? Oh wait, no. Italic? No. Wait. Here we go. Where is italic? Italic. Hello. Where are you? It's gotta be in here somewhere. Hello? It's in here somewhere. Oh, I see. It's not italic, it's just I. Okay. I go here in the health effects, that also means more card stats. Yeah, but at the same time, the cards right now are really simple. And I do actually want them to be more complicated. It's kind of a balance, because, like, I need to make the cards not too scope creepy, but also need to make them, like, complicated enough that they can be expanded on. Because it's a roguelite, so, like, you need to be able to build synergies and things like that, you know? Okay, so let me make sure that works first. So if we give ourselves a brick card... That is. Nope, that's not a shield. A brick. There we go. Oh, I forgot. It's the pixel art font, so I don't actually have italics. I could change the color. Yeah. I might be stupid. And the size? Wait, what size? Of the text? I guess I could change the size if we wanted to make, like, that smaller. Let me see. Yeah, custom font size. So if we wanted to make it, what's the default size of this again? Description card. Name label? Yeah, name label. No. No, it's not. That's not it. Well, I guess it's the same font, so it will be the same size. It is 20, so what if we made it, like... 10, just to see if it works, I guess. But I don't know, I might just keep it as, like, how it was. Yeah, so it does make it small, I guess. If I use a mesh, I could programmatically skew the letters. I certainly could. I don't think I want to do that, though. If we did, like, 18... I don't know, I feel like at that point it just doesn't... I think we'll just do without. I think it looks fine without it. Yeah, I think that looks good. So now we just need... Didn't have the shield. Let me think. What could be funny flavor text for a shield? I am not thinking of anything right now. What else did I have left? We had the yarn ball as well, yes. Well, for that, be... just click toy. That's good. Now I just need shield. Field description. Well, obviously the description is going to be, shield. Just saying shield probably won't make me come up with a good text for it. What if we just put insert funny flavor text? Beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, they should update without restarting the game. I just restarted the game because I can, and also because I forgot. You know, they do update, because I was testing with the BB code earlier. They do indeed update. There we go. Any of the numbers up here look good. And I think the shadows are fine for now. This works, right? Yeah. Cool. Did you ever push up the thing where the hand like slides back and forth or no? You have returned from eating your sandwiches. Yummy. What kind of sandwiches do you make? They better be yummy. Or I'll be sad. No, give me lots of cool, complicated ideas, please, please. More complicated ideas, please. I need them. Ham and cheese with mayo. Ooh, ham and pepper jack. That sounds good, actually. I don't know about the mayo part. I'm not a huge mayo fan, but it's not bad. Yeah, he's having fun programming for now. Honestly, I think it's beneficial for us working together because I get programming and he doesn't have to decide what to program. I can just be like, oh, I want this added. And he doesn't have to think about what he has to add, you know? At work today, I made a very yummy egg sandwich. It was, egg, bacon, spinach, and onion on sourdough. And it's made with like an egg casserole. It's very yummy. And nobody ordered a large cappuccino today, mostly because I was working in the kitchen for the entire day, but nobody ordered any large cappuccinos, so that makes me happy. Sourdough it's pretty much like basic white bread, but like fancy. Yes, please offload all of your ideas. I need especially like cool card ideas that can be like expanded on. Because I've probably said this before, but I'm planning to add a sticker system that will add like different buffs to cards. Oh, that's cool. When you stick the knives into the worm, it like rotates with them. That's cool. Very sick. There we go. I'm having too much fun just running around shooting things. I'm just trying to think. Wait. Redeal. I switch to the sword. Design of Dante's 9 come to me. It was for a game jam. I don't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure it was on a road trip that I came up with it. I was just like in the car thinking, because I think it was like right, I don't think it was right before the game jam started. I think it was right as the game jam started. Like went on a road trip and was just like thinking about it and just thought, what if I made a game with deck building and cat and platforming? That's vaguely how I remember it. I don't know, I could be making all this up for all I know, but... Cool. And then, yeah, Game Jam happened, and then everybody liked it, so like, then I finished the game. And then now, hopefully everybody still likes it. Here we go. Whoa. Was there a jam theme? Oh yes, the theme was Death is Your Friend, which I barely used at all. I like used it kind of thematically where like death personified like gave you the cards to like make it out of hell or something like that, but that was more of just like added on so that way the theme works. So okay, so now what do I want to do? So we got descriptions, music bug, that we have figured out. Remove all debug features. What are the debug features? What's the best way to, should I just remove the input maps for them, or is there a better way to do it? I don't know. I think I'll worry about that later, because I don't want to like do it on. I think I need to work on the end screen. Particles match the correct level we already got. So yeah, we just need the end screen. So where is the end screen? Is it just called end screen? No. Demo. Is demo open screen? And what could it be called? I can find it somewhere in here. Sure. Objects? No. UI? Oh, it's in player. Okay. Cool. There's so much junk on a player, it seems to be cleaned up at some point, but that's okay. Okay. Room over screen. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and save branch as scene. And we will put it in source. UI. This looks about right. Cool. Why is it like not show up? Oh, is it because the animation player? Yeah, it is. Okay. Cool. So for this, I think I'm gonna want to, I kind of want to draw like a big pop-up thing that has like info on it. Holy Peak music. So now we open Clip Studio. Jump scare. Oh yes, I also was working on all the different capsule art sizes. You can see all these beautiful. This one I think is my favorite. This one looks really sick. I really like this one. But anyways, yeah, different capsule arts. All sorts of fun stuff. But I think... Let me open... Where is it? Poster, there we go, so this was the poster that I brought to GodotCon, but I think I can reuse this and turn it into... we can save duplicate, and we can save it as demo end screen. Now we want to open demo end screen. There we go. And we want to change canvas size. Do not want it in inches, you can do it in pixels. Let's do like 19, 20. Actually, I guess let's do 1920 by 1080. No, that's really small, actually. Yeah, that works, I guess. Sure, we'll do that, and then just, like, scale everything down a bit. Ooh, why did it scale weirdly? Oh, because text, right? Okay, maybe we don't, like, scale the whole thing. You had the vertical one, how they're raining down. No, we don't want to apply that. Here, yeah. Honestly, I might have on the sides, but this is what shows up in your Steam library. So actually, I can pull up. Where is it? I have it in here. Here is what it looks like in the Steam library, which looks super cool. Yeah, I might release this playtest build to other people. We shall see. Depends on how well it goes. Yeah. But here's how it looks with all the other games, which looks really sick, I'm not gonna lie. I really like it. It is very awesome sauce. Okay, so let's move these first, make these smaller. Wait, no, I think I just want to make... No, I don't want to apply transformation. Let's hide everything except for you. How do I do that? Hide all other layers. Okay, that looks good. Go ahead and show you. That looks good. What are you doing? Okay. What is this? That's the... okay. These two we can make smaller. It's our QR code. Here. This will need to change the text size so it's not massive. Get like 20 maybe. Yeah. If I make both of these the same size. Oh, I can't make them the same size? I guess I can. Now. So let's make you 20. Then now if we select both of these... Okay, that's still really large. Can we change your scale? Scale, we'll make this... Wait, what was the original size? Was the original size 60? So you want to make this 33? Yeah, is my mathing? 33.3. No, 33.3. Oh, I can't do 0.3, nice. Well, hey, that works still. I can do math, guys. There is no Dante command. I don't even remember what the commands are, to be honest. I want to have a button as well. So I want to have the QR code because a couple people are going to be streaming this. So that's kind of scary, but I want to have a QR code so if people are watching, they can click on that or scan that. I want to have a button to open the Steam page, although actually I don't think we really need that now that I think about it. So you... Oh wait, this one we want to scale as well. So this is supposed to go in the background of this guy here to make it easier to see. There we go. So we want to go down. Obviously, we want the logo. I guess up here works. What is this layer? There's no object there. Okay, well that one's not important then. What are you? There is no object. Okay, that one's not important either. Is this? What is this? You are the old logo. Okay, we don't need you. What are you? You are the monochrome logo. We don't need you. What are you? You are not. There's nothing in that layer. Okay, cool. What is this? I guess that's not anything either. Oh, it is. What is this? Oh, that was me doing... Okay, so we don't need that. What are you? This is my logo, okay. Take this and put it in the corner down here. So that looks nice. Let's make the text a 20. Is that a good? Might be smaller. 12. Okay, that looks good. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Let's just go ahead and duplicate you as I can. And your text will say... What does the text say on here? Okay, I guess we can just copy this. I don't know. Good enough. We want the text tool. You could have Satan poking Dante with his pitchfork. That way you can emotionally blackmail people to wishlist. That's a good idea, but also I would have to draw that, and that's a lot of work, and I'm lazy, so we're not doing that. Let's make the font size a little bit bigger. It'll be like 16. Graphic design is my passion. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. So now watch this. This is gonna be crazy. So we duplicate this, we rasterize it, Where's the rasterize button? Hello? Rasterize, there we go. And then we take our filter, we blur it, and then we what do we do now? We lock the alpha channel, then we go in with our brush, and then we make it really big, and now we can wait. No, it's wait. Yes. Why is it just disappearing? It's not. I'm not erasing it. That's not what I want to do. Oh, is it because? Hello? Why is it doing this? Well, I guess that is doing what I wanted to. Oh yeah, it is. We just want it to be darker. Let's make it like black. There we go, beautiful. See, look, now we have a nice little drop shadow, so it doesn't look terrible. And the drop shadow on this is a little bit aggressive. Let's turn that down just a little bit. Actually, I think it's the size. I think we need to make it smaller. Oh, wrong button, wrong button. You need to be a little bit smaller. There we go, I think that's better. Do we have like a drop shadow for the logo? Thankfully I do. Wait, now, do I have that now? I guess we can just... But honestly, we could do the exact same thing. So where's our logo? Logo. We can duplicate, we can put it below, rasterize, and then filter, blur, and then we make that larger, and then lock the alpha channel, and we fill in. Look at that. Make our brush bigger so we don't miss anything. Let's honestly blur it even more. Now you can do the same for this. I'm addicted to rasterizing and adding drop shadows to all of my things. It's so fun. So we can duplicate, and then we can go ahead and merge these. And then that automatically rasterizes it, I believe. Now we blur. There we go. We lock the alpha channel, and then we do the same thing. Look at that, it's beautiful. Honestly, we can do the same for this, so that way we don't have the ugly QR code. So we duplicate the QR code. We check that. What else to go behind here? Oh, it's already rasterized? I guess so. Blur. I do a nice big blur. And we lock the alpha channel, and boom, drop shadow. I love drop shadows. Yeah. They're so fun. Anything I'm missing here? We should probably have like a... Actually, no, we can add the button prompt on the... I wanted to add a button prompt to close the menu, but we can have that on just in-game. This needs to be a little bit lower, I feel like. Maybe? No? I think that's good positioning. Just look at it from afar, see if it looks good. I think it looks good. Maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't look good, I can't tell anymore. Honestly, what if we make this, like, larger? Like, put it in the center like this. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and rasterize this, that way we scale it, it doesn't make a difference. No. Go. Scale. I'm gonna be like way too picky about the positions of all these when it literally barely matters at all, but you know, whatever, it's okay. Okay, I think that is good. Export end screen. Perfect. Now in here, file system, assets, UI. Can go ahead and dump that in here, wherever I left it. Somewhere in here. Demo end screen. There we go. Should I just use like a sprite or I want a texture? I don't know how control nodes work. Oh hey, look, it works. Okay, so for this, I do want to change this so that way it's we have a script on here, right? Yeah. So here, let me think. Okay. I cannot type today. Is action just pressed? Do we have a... We just use the basic, guess UI cancel is what we want. Oh, okay, we're going to freeze? Okay, we're good. What is the default UI cancel on controller? Let's see. UI up, UI end. Where? This will be at the top, right? Is it in alphabetical order? No, it's not. Okay, it's only escape. Okay. Let me go ahead and... in the map. Do we have one? Oh, pause, okay. Save Dante from Eternal Torment wishlist now. It's kinda good. It's a little dark, but it's kinda good. Let's see, so we want this. Or, wait, no, we want or. And, wait, no, we don't want or. We just want, pause, right? Pause. Although we don't want to do that, do we? Because then that would open the pause menu. I could make it so that way the pause menu can't open if this menu is open, but that would be more code and I would probably end up doing it in a really awful way. So we're just going to make it a different button. What does E do again? I forget. I'll do interacts. Does interact do anything? Have that anywhere? Interact. Let's look. Forge. We use it on the forge. Okay. Cool. Okay. So we don't use it anywhere, so that's good. Okay. Cool. And then we also want to have a UI. Where are you? Controls, keyboard, remap item, that's what we want. Look at that. Wait, no, that's not what we want. Never mind, that's not what we want. Where is... Let me look. Do I have tutorial room open? Of course I don't. Wait, I guess I could just do... Is it glyph? Tutorial glyph. Is that not saved as a scene? Tutorial room. Tutorial glyph. Where are you? I see it is not saved as a scene. The sort of way Hell Soup advertise? What is Hell Soup? Never heard of Hell Soup. What are you... Hell Soup? Where are you getting Hell Soup from? I'm very confused. I have never heard of Hell Soup. I think you're going insane, but that's okay. Aren't we all? Okay, so we just want to add a sprite, I think. And then we want to put the tutorial glyph here. And I guess we can add a label as well. Do we want this scaled by 4? Do we not want that scaled by 4? Don't think we want that scaled by 4. Where did that go? Oh, it went way down there. Okay, yeah, we don't want that scaled by 4. I don't think. Is there a way to, if we go to theme variation? That doesn't do anything. Is there a theme variation for the big font? Or no? I don't think there is. Oh, Hell Soup is a game. Okay. I was thinking that it was like an actual soup, and I was very confused. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. Sometimes I am not very smart. Oh, that's okay. Let's do 40 maybe? Yeah, that looks good enough. You. Is this like all the way down here like this? We want you to be up here. Okay. E. What are these? I guess they're from an add-on. That's entirely missed that. Where are sprite no UI input prompts? Okay. So controller glyph is X. Does that look here? Oh, that needs to be scaled by 4. Let's go. I love scaling everything by 4. So now you need to be 0.25. So that way you're normal. My favorite. There we go. Perfect. Now we need to find the E keyboard. There we go. It's right there. Wasn't too bad. Yeah, that looks here. Perfect. We can just move you down a bit. Beautiful. Okay. Make sure this still works fine with the... Yeah, that works fine. Okay. We want a hide animation, which will be the exact same thing. Actually, you can probably just duplicate this, right? Yeah. Hide, and then we just swap these. Look at that, easy. Perfect. To actually make this longer, then we can do is check to see if it's playing, so that way it won't, if I accidentally push the button, it won't instantly close. It is playing. Let's see what not is playing. Ooh. Oh, and let's also add a color rect in the background that's like really big, so that way if the screen size is larger, it'll have like a although technically you want this to be full rect? Let me see if that works. We can adjust both, I guess. You to be behind. There we go. Good enough. I don't know how UI stuff works. We're just gonna hope this works, you know? I think that's what we want, though. Okay, we'll try that. And now I get to test it by playing through the entire game, because I don't have any way to trigger that manually, so we're just going to go through and smack all the enemies, because it'll be fun, why not? Okay. Yes, I will join DC after I am done streaming. Don't worry. Oh, what the? What did I get hit by there? Oh well, it's fine. I'm sure that wasn't any kind of bug whatsoever. I forget how fun this game is to just run around and hit things, like, kinda fun. Kinda crazy. Oop, we got the funny bug. That needs to be fixed, but it's okay. It's just a visual bug where sometimes it'll mess stuff up with the card visuals. Bang, bang, bang. Probably could have done these in a better order so I don't have to run around as quite as much, but whatever, it's okay. Having fun. Bonk, 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 bonk. More bonk. Oh, I forgot you can bounce on the guys. Entirely forgot about that. Where's that last one at? It's down here. Somewhere. Whoa, look at that, it works. Why is it so bright? Oh, because it's affected by the, Let me see if I can change that. Is there a way to make something not affected by the world environment? I guess that would be a no? Maybe? Visibility ordering, visibility. What if we put it on a different visibility layer? Does that make a difference? No. top level. We make this the index like funky. We can use render mode unshaded, okay. So material, new shader material. Oh wait, could I do just like a canvas item material? Unshaded. Did not appear to do anything. Let's see. Because it's using the world environment, it's not a light. So I feel like that would not do anything. But I don't know. Oh, and with the filter, we want this to be linear, right? There we go, now it's like nice and smooth. Reload game. Okay, well then let me add a debug to make this pop up. Let's see it. Nope, still doing it. Wait, did I change it back? Yeah, it's on unshaded. I can change the. I know I can change the color of the image. The problem is that it's because I have a world environment on the level. Toss you the image, yes. What's the best way? I think I have it. Yeah, it's not too big to like send. It's not ridiculously large. There you go. Okay, if you want to mess around with that. Do you want... I guess you can figure that out if it works or not, and I can always just make the change on my end. Since I have the pop-up thing. Go ahead and remove that debug before I forget to. Okay, now that should work fine. Is it saying can't save resource to empty path? What is it talking about? I don't have a resource, I don't think. Well, hopefully that's not a problem. Not gonna worry about that, I guess. Well, we got end screen. Oh, in engine? What's your solution? I mean, oh, I can attempt it. Oh, and this guy, I want to set your filter to be nearest. Did I have anything else on my to-do list before we got the music bug and debug I need to work on? I think that's about it, yeah. Actually, let me make sure this QR code actually works with this background. It does, okay. Look at that. Oh yes, I need screenshots for the Steam page still. That's another thing I need to do. Okay, let me see. Cool. Screenshots, let's see. Set the color of the sprite. You mean the modulate? So I'm not sure if that... I mean, that might help. But I don't think that would really fix the problem. It would just make it darker. And the problem isn't that it's too bright, it's that the world environment is adding bloom to it, which makes it like super glowy, which we don't want. There's the frame-by-frame mode not working. Oh wait, no, I did it. I have to enable it in the... Forgot. I have to enable it in the settings. Look at that, beautiful frame-by-frame. I also want to rebind my... What is it? Or I guess I can just add one. Beautiful. Now I can do frame by frame from my mouse. Enable frame by frame. I can still aim and stuff while doing frame by frame. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Disable that for now. Let's get into the levels first. It's kind of terrible. Yeah, let's not do that one. Nah. Kind of fun. Trying to make something look cool. That actually looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. So actually we want to one player, hide the health bar, and where's the mini-map? Is that under hand? Oh, of course it's under hand. So why would I have it someplace like normal? There we go, beautiful. I didn't have this over here, oops. I like that. I'll call that good. Beautiful. Alright, more screenshots time. Oop. That wasn't good. Okay, let's try in the room. I think that looks kind of sick too. It's kind of chaotic. We'll go with that for now. Get a good yarn ball screenshot. This might do too. one. That one's too close to the wall. Nope. Not it. Unless it is. Nah, it's not. Yet. Kinda like this one. Go ahead and grab this one. Still missing an enemy. That I never killed the guy down here. I never did. Cool. If you could get bullet time, well, you actually currently do when you're switching cards. So let's rotate this way to face this guy. I think that'll look better. There we go. That looks good. But see, when I'm switching cards, see it slows down time like way down. I can pick the card, and I'll speed up time again. Just like that magic. Can you shoot during the card slowdown? Sorry, I didn't see that. I can... I think technically yes. Yeah, you can. It's like not intended and it will mess up your aim. So, not really. It's interesting, I never actually thought about doing that. Technically, yeah, you can, but it's like weird. So slow. Want to see if I can shoot again. Which way it'll go. Yeah. Yeah, you can, but it's like not... You don't really want to. It's not... You're not intended to. Is that all the rooms? No, I think I'm still missing one, right? Yeah, this one. Whoa, look at that. Still way too bright, but it looks cool, I guess. Oh, and I can't close it, because, of course it doesn't work. Why can't it work? The worm bodies? No, it's only the head. And it's only when he's dashing. Because I want to have as little, I'm gonna have more, like, enemies that shoot stuff and do crazy things. But I don't want to have enemies that it's just, oh, if you touch them, you get hurt. Because that feels really awful. It feels really nice and you can just run through them and it's only their attacks that hit you. So that's kind of like the design of all the enemies that I have. Is they all have, like, an attack rather than a, oh, if you touch them, you die. Why this not working? This one's called hide. Yes. You did indeed tell me that one. Because you're very smart. The room over doesn't pause the game, right? I don't know why this isn't working. It should be that if I press interact. The what? The end screen. I'm trying to... Steal that. It's a very good thing to steal if you're gonna steal anything. It doesn't pause, okay. Cause, oops, I didn't want to close that. Where did it go? End, is it called end screen? Demo end screen. What's it called? Screen, demo open screen. Over screen, that's what I want. It's supposed to hide when I press the E button, but it is not doing that. me see. If we go to our remote tab level, this is on the player. Yes, player room over screen. What's on the control? No. Which one's the one with the script on it? What this one? Yes, so shown is equal to true on here. So if shown, which it is true, if the input is interact and the animation player is not playing, is it playing? The animation playing currently. That shows up on here, does it? No, it doesn't. Wait, is show like a... Why is it like this? It's not looping. I don't know why it's like that. Let's see, I have a thing to automatically open it for testing. Let me see if it works if I open it manually. Oh wait, no, I removed the thing that makes it for testing. We can add that back in real quick though, else... show... Maybe it'll work now. Maybe. Probably not. There we go. Now it shouldn't let you close it for a couple seconds. Oh, that's weird. It's like, no. Oh, wait, maybe? Oh, I see. Is the hide animation, like, wrong or something? Do you want it to be like that? Does that fix it? Something's weird. Oh, I think it's... Wait, that's because we have this debug thing. Oh wait, we want this to be shown is equal to true. That's why it wasn't working. Now, theoretically, this should work how it should normally. Maybe. So that does work. Now, I don't know why it wasn't working before. Setting shown to true, it's playing the animation, which is literally the exact same thing I'm doing here. So I don't know why it wasn't working before. Let me speedrun beating all the rooms, I guess. Oh, that's funny. There's a little bug if you don't have any cards. I probably should have gotten cards. Oh wait, I can add card like this. Add card. That's actually... Let's add, what's the best card in this? Add a bunch of yarn balls. I love speedrunning my own game. Zoom zoom. Beautiful. That's a funny audio bug that I'll need to fix at some point. Almost. Probably good to test that I can actually just run through the entire game fine. So now it should pop up the end screen. No? Oh, do I have to go to that, go to the first room first? There we go. Now if I press E, if I press E, there we go, now it worked. I don't know why it wasn't working before. Okay, well that works now. Now I just need to figure out... Biddy, did you ever figure out how to, if you're watching, to make it not affected by the world environment so it's not all bloomed? Nope, okay, cool. Let me look at the world environment. Where do I have that saved? Do I have that saved? Environment, default environment. It is weird. The weird thing is, oh, it might be because of the order in which it's loaded in the auto loads. Let me look. Is it the Forge UI? No, it's the same as the inventory. For some reason, the Forge UI is not affected by the world environment. Oh, is that because it's on layer 5? Wait a second. I just set this layer to 5. Let's re-add our testing scripts. No, it still does it. So what is different about the Forge UI that isn't showing up? It's on layer 5, that's like the only thing. Transformer, this has changed. Look at the panels. They're all normal. But if I go in here to the remote with Forge UI, if we show this, look, it's not affected by the world environment. I don't know why. But if I show the inventory, which I can't see currently, but let's hide the level. Wait, no, hide the... Wait, does that not work? Whatever. But I don't know what it is, why that doesn't work. Go back to local. Tried layer 5. Do I need to reload this for that to show up? Although, wait, no, I already did reload it, right? Yeah, weird. quick and simple fix. Texture X. Just lower the modulate. Oh, so that does work. Oh, does that actually work? Maybe I was wrong all along. Maybe... Oh, that does work actually. I apologize for whoever's idea that was to do that. It does actually work. Skibbity Dante. Okay, so... we do this and we pull up the original image. Ooh, the color's about right. Yeah, it's close enough. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm sorry, you were right. I probably should have tried it instead of just assuming it didn't work. Because I was thinking that the bloom was applied and then the modulate was applied, but it's the other way around. So, my fault. My apologies. We all make mistakes, especially me because I'm a bad game dev. But that's okay. Well, let me make sure if you pop this up. Oop. Okay, it does. It does show the controller. Okay, well that's all set now. Okay, well I think that's everything for tonight. I'll be having another stream Thursday night at 8:30 as per usual. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing then. I mean, what could I be doing then? A lot of stuff to do. I think probably just some more miscellaneous stuff in here. Maybe working on like the shop and like card packs, that could be fun. And maybe designing some new environments and tile maps and stuff. Alright, good night everybody.